In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion aesthetic by adding a color block. If you've ever opened a Notion page and thought it looked a bit plain or hard to scan, adding color is one of the simplest ways to make it feel more organized, more personal, and frankly, a lot more fun to use. Color blocks are perfect for highlighting important information, separating sections, or creating a custom dashboard that actually matches your style. First, open the Notion page where you want to add your color block. This can be any page in your workspace, maybe a dashboard, a project tracker, or a study hub. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can type and add content. It helps to decide in advance what you want to highlight. Is it a key reminder, a section header, or a note you don't want to miss? Next, click into an empty line or create a new block where you want the color to appear. You can do this by pressing Enter to move to a new line. Now start typing a bit of text that you want to stand out. For example, you might type something like today's priorities, important resources, or weekly goals. This text is what you're going to turn into a colored element. Once your text is in place, we'll bring in the color tools. Notion gives you two main options, adding a background color to the entire block or adding a highlight color just behind the text itself. To access these, click on the block so your cursor is active in it, then type a / to open the command menu. In the menu, start typing the word color or background. As you type, you'll see options appear. Choose the background color option if you want a full colored block behind your text. This is great for headers, dividers, or callout style sections that anchor parts of your page. If you prefer a more subtle look, choose the color or highlight option instead. That will apply color only behind the text, which works well when you want emphasis without taking over the whole line. Pick a color that fits your page's vibe and is easy to read. Softer tones work well for big areas, while brighter colors are great for small highlights. You can repeat this process anywhere on the page to build a simple color system. One color for warnings, another for tasks, another for notes. With just these steps, your Notion page goes from plain text to a clean, aesthetic layout that's easier to navigate and more enjoyable to use.